Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Saint Lucia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing we should check whenever we apply any kind of visa to any country, do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that we have, we may or may not actually need a visa. And then we can apply accordingly. And also we should check the requirements as per the official entity that governs our residential area, because based on our residential area, there could be additional document steps, even fee too. All right. So in front of you, I have opened this government website for St. Lucia. So they have given the processing time 5 working days. They have a contact too. Now, if you have an embassy or something in your country or official entity where you can contact and obtain your visa, we are going to see the process according to that. Otherwise, you can email these guys with the details that they need and they will also guide you what you can do. But anyway, fee is given for single entry and this is for multiple entry. Process, you need to have visa application form, okay, and you need to apply at least 2 weeks in advance, okay. Certain people can apply at the point of entry or at the airport too. Two certified passport size photograph, valid passport, return ticket, itinerary, proof of accommodation, hotel, private, Airbnb, whatever, letter of invitation if someone is inviting you, okay. Same thing they have given here. Okay, now what I have done here, oh, yeah. So let me go back. Yeah. So here I have opened Consulate General of St. Lucia here in Toronto. So that's what I said, like you should see as per your case. So they have given this visa application form too. So, so those who need a visa, they need to submit with this checklist, application form, passport, same thing you'll see, return ticket. So this particular thing, copy of applicant's permanent residence card or apply or a copy of valid work permit that you are residing legally in Canada. Travel itinerary, hotel or Airbnb accommodation, proof of accommodation. Letter of invitation if applicable. Letter from school, university or college confirming attendance if you're a student. Sufficient funds, okay. Bank statement or credit card statement. Job letter from current employer that you are employed. Something just to prove your employment. Now from here, if you apply from Canada, 30 Canadian dollars, okay. Crossing also varies, okay. And you can call them and you can just definitely they'll facilitate it for you. And photographs can be certified by the um, they have given photographs must be certified by a doctor, lawyer, minister of religion or justice of peace. Okay, must bear the date when they were taken. Okay. See behind the photo, this has to be there. They have given. What you need to enter? Yeah, two photographs to it be attached. Surname, first name, middle name, other name if you have, maiden name if you have. Date of birth, make sure you follow the format. Date of birth, place of birth, it should match with your passport. Your nationality, gender, marital status, passport details, permanent home address, correspondence are if different. This we have seen in Canadian forms too. Phone number, email, definitely provide properly because they may contact you. Section 2, address, telephone number of present employer or school. Okay, whatever you are. What is the purpose? If you're going for holidays, you can click holiday. If you're going for or any other, you can provide that. Where you will stay, hotel address. Okay, provide that full. If you are staying at a private address, give the details, relationship, friend or relative, whatever. Have you been there before? Then, if no, then to no. If yes, then put yes and provide when and for how long. And how much money you will take for your proposed visit. So this should like be sufficient. Of course, if you put too low and if you don't have money, okay, but again, you need to prove it with your statement. Then they can ask more questions. If you are married, what is your spouse name? Spouse date of birth. Is your spouse traveling? Then if no, no. If traveling, then provide on his or own passport, then that. But yes, on my passport. Wow. And I don't know how this one particular works, but if I am going, I'm gonna select this. I don't want any trouble with international immigration, especially when you come back. Will your children be accompanying you? So provide that details. Section 4 for applicant traveling through UK. So we are not traveling through UK, forget it. I mean, if you're going through UK, then put it. Prepared by another person on your behalf. So do accordingly your signature, date. This is for office use. So that we are not gonna go through. Now I'm gonna show you that country-wise requirement. Okay, downloaded. So entry visa. So nationality is here on left and visiting Saint Lucia. So this is your the second column is very important. PTA prior to arrival. So see your nationality. So they don't need a visa from Andorra, Anguilla, and there's some star mark too. So that you need to see. For example, if you're Canadian, most probably Canadians don't need. Yeah, we don't need. And if you're an Indian, then oh. But you can apply at point of entry. Fine. You can check it, okay, and accordingly you can take the decision. And there's some restrictions to like how many days, up to 90 days in one end. Yeah, fine. Territory. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Now let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.